Hi and welcome to I Want to Cook. My name is Chef Matt and this channel is all about helping you be a better cook. And I'm going to be the first to admit that sometimes cooking just involves opening one of these, a jar. But have you ever had a jar whose lid is just really crazy tight? I mean, almost embarrassingly so. Even if you've got a lot of muscle, you just can't open it? Well, today I'm going to show you 3 tips on how to make a jar way easier to open. The first tip is this. Simply take your jar and firmly but rather gently just kind of tap it on a hard surface. Not too hard. A wood surface is going to work really well here. So just take that jar and just tap it maybe a couple times. I'm not quite sure what this does, if it helps release air or pockets of bubbles or what, but this works. From here, you might just be able to open that jar. But if not, here's 2 other tips that are going to really make it even easier. Now the second tip is with a kitchen towel, but you might notice if you just grab a dry kitchen towel and you try to open this, it can still be difficult. So the secret here is to get it wet. Just dampen the towel with some water, maybe wring it out so it's not soaking wet. Now with your damp towel, take it, put it over the lid and twist. That might give you just enough extra adhesion to help you get that stubborn lid off that bottle. If neither of those work, it might be time to bring out the big guns. And that is sandpaper. Yes, sandpaper can actually work really well because it has that knurled surface. So if you have some sandpaper, especially a coarser type sandpaper, you can just grab a sheet of that, put it right over the lid, and it opens right up. Looks like I'm having pasta for dinner tonight. So there you go. Those are 3 quick tips for opening those stubborn bottles. Hey, what do you do? Do you have any secrets to kind of wrestling these things off? I'd love to hear about them. Put them in the comments below. Next week, we'll get back to a more regular episode, but I wanted to share these 3 with you for this week. Until next time, I hope that you want to cook.